I care my Roselle seedlings, and I think I know why. They survived through winter. They sprouted against the odds, but now they are gone. My Roselle seedling didn't make it. Hello everyone, it's Lele and I have some sad news. My Roselle seedlings have died, but I have been thinking about what went wrong, and I think I have figured it out. In March, the days started getting warmer, but the nights will stay cold. I already knew that could be a problem, but what really hurt them was this.
Every seed we sow, every dream we chase, Roselle's growing, we embrace.
I introduced them to the sun too first. Roselle loves sunlight, so I thought they would be happy outside. But because they have only new indoor conditions, the sudden exposure was too much for them. And here's the proof: my seedlings that stay inside at the room temperature. They have no problem at all.
Seasons turn, but we still remain.
I didn't give them time to adjust. It was the shock that killed them. So here what I have learned from this mistake. March weather is unpredictable. Just because the days are warmer doesn't mean it's safe. The cold nights are still dangerous. 2. Sunlight needs to be introduced slowly. If plants grow indoors, they need time to adjust before going outside. Number 3. Indoor stability is better than outdoor stress. My seedlings inside survived because they was not exposed to extreme changes. This time I'm going to be patient. Here what I will do differently. Keep them inside until late March or mid-April. No rushing them out into the cold. Introduce sunlight slowly. I will start by giving them short periods of sun each day and increase the time gradually. Monitor their strength. I won't move them outside fully until they are strong enough to handle it. I truly believe this time will be different, and I cannot wait to see them grow properly. Even though I lost my first bunch, I'm not giving up. I'm trying again, and this time I will be smarter about this. If you are growing Roselle, I hope you can learn from my mistake. Have you ever lost a plant this way? What did you do differently the next time? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next update. Let's see if I can get it right this time. Bye-bye, happy gardening, and see you soon.
We plant, we grow, we rise, we shine. Roselle strong, it's our time. From the soil to the sky, no fear, no doubt. Watch us bloom, just check us out. So we rise, so we grow through the highs and the lows. Roselle stand and let it show. We stop and let them know. Join the ride, watch it grow, let the whole world know.